we're gonna do a little bit different to remove the oil. We're gonna use an oil extractor. It's a lot easier with this Mercedes here because underneath you have to remove quite a lot of panels, and I've got this oil extractor here. It makes the job a lot easier. So yeah, let's get cracking. Okay, so we just managed to take out 5 liters of oil with the oil extractor. Now we're gonna get on with this oil filter. Right, for the oil filter, the oil fuel chamber cap, you have a special adapter, which I did have and it got stolen. I had a whole set for the Mercedes, it's got stolen anyway. I used one of those universal adapter here. I already taken it out because when I was extracting the oil, but it was pretty hard in the beginning, so that tool is not really the best thing that you can I was a bit concerned I was going to break this plastic cap here, but I managed to take it out in the end, and I'll put it back in just to show you. So that's the old oil filter. Just pull it, it comes out, and then we have the new oil filter here. It doesn't have any side. We're gonna leave the Bosch facing up. Just push it in, clicks in place, and then you have 3 seals. Small one at the top, and then a medium in the middle, and a big one at the bottom here. And that's it. Just lubricate the rubber a little bit so it doesn't go in dry and you have the risk of damaging it. Well, this universal tool here saved me so many times. Then tighten up to 25 Newton meters. So air filter, got these clips around it, 2 on the left here, another one on the front, middle, another one on the side. Then you have this clip here. Is there one on the back? Yeah, there is. There's one on the back as well. So that should be it. There we go. Nice and dirty. Nice and dirty. Again, just a case of pull it out. Make sure you clean the air filter housing. So a new filter. Make sure you line up that little kind of V there at the bottom. V here on the air filter housing. Right, it's in place. Cover back. There we go. Nice and easy. Right, next diesel filter. Just gonna remove this connector here. Remove this accessory here. There's a tab at the bottom then you pull out of the brackets. Now you have to remove these two few lines here. There we go. Right, so get the second one off. Well, that pipe is a little bit damaged at the beginning here. I'm gonna help it. With the heat and everything, they kind of get glued up to the metal pipe. Alright, that's it, it's coming out. Right, and it's off. Now removing the diesel filter, you have two clips on the side here. Don't know if you're gonna be able to see it there. There you go. So one at the top, and the same thing at the bottom. Apologies, it's a bit hard for me to undo it and film at the same time, hold the camera. So I've done those two clips. That now should come off. I've got a new Bosch one here. So the same thing again. Just put it in place. Sits in place. Do the clamps back in. There we go. Do one at the bottom. There we go. Bottom one's done. Refit the pipes. Just press it. That should go on. There we go. Click it in place. Now the second one. I think this is the outlet actually. This is the inlet, this is the outlet one. There we go. Now just put back the sensor back in place, connect all up, and that's it. Right, so this is the compartment for the pollen filter. So you just want to slide a little bracket there and pull out. Just make sure you remember the orientation of the filter. And I've got a new one here. It's just the case to and put the camera back in there. Just to push in. Again, lock it in place. Okay, so I needed my both hands to put the filter back in, and I'm gonna be able to show you. But it's gonna be the case of one hand pushing the filter up and getting to compress the rubber seal around it, and then you move this locking tab here to the left, locks in place. Because the rubber is new and everything, you have to push the filter with your hand. But it's pretty simple. Okay, so time to reset the service lights. Turn the ignition position 1, and as you can see there, service A overdue by 210 days. Press OK. Then you want to press call and OK and hold, and then it gives you more options. Go scroll down, use the down arrow here to assist plus, press OK. Service data full service, scroll down again, press OK. Then go to full service, scrolling down again, full service, press OK. Service carried out, yes, OK. Cannot be undone, confirm, OK. Full service completed. So now you shouldn't have that message in the beginning anymore. So turn the ignition off position. Turn it back on, and as you can see, no message. So that's it, guys. Finished. Cover's back. Everything's running as it should. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like it. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.